Welcome to the Vehicle Tailgating Detection Introduction and Configuration Walkthrough. intuVision VA has many different event rules and options, grouped in 6 major modules: parking, retail, security, traffic, face detection and matching, and text detection. In this video, we will be focusing on vehicle tailgate detection, available through both the traffic and security modules. Tailgate detection works according to this diagram, allowing passage in instances in which one vehicle enters with one valid access control token, and raising an alarm if there are 2 vehicles entering with only one access control token, or if a vehicle enters without a positive access control signal. Vehicle tailgate detection uses 2 unique capabilities of intuVision VA, compound events and the vehicle tracker. Our compound events let you combine intuVision VA events and third-party triggers to create conditional alarm scenarios. The tailgate detection is a compound event comparing entering vehicles with access control signals to determine tailgating. intuVision VA Vehicle Tracker uses distinct features such as head and taillights to detect vehicles regardless of the scene lighting, and works even when standard object tracking is not adequate, such as at nighttime. As with any intuVision analytics, the first step is adding the video. We will do this in the intuVision admin. The video is being added from an RTSP camera. When the video input is selected, change the name of the camera if preferred, then use this drop-down to choose the vehicle tracker. Configuration is simple. First, we will add an exclusion zone to mask areas of no interest. Then we need to enter the estimated size of vehicles in pixels. Using the pixel ruler measuring tool in the toolbar, we will measure vehicles to obtain estimated width. The size multiplier helps adjust the size difference due to the scene perspective as the vehicles move. The default multiplier is 2. Since in this scene the vehicle size does not change in our area of interest, we decrease to 1. If your scene has more depth and vehicles look significantly smaller when they are away from the camera, increase the size multiplier as needed. If you have a scene where the baseline of vehicles is not parallel to the bottom of the video frame, you will need to adjust the light set angle. This angle is also available with the measuring tool. Here we do not need to change the angle, but will increase the tolerance to capture turning vehicles. There are other advanced settings for more complex scenes. You can read about these in the intuVision VA documentation under Help, View Help. Once done, click Apply, and you see vehicles now have bounding boxes. We will now add our first component event. For this, we will click Add Event Rule and then select the Enter-Exit event. Change the event type to Component, as Vehicle Enter-Exit will be the first component of the tailgate detection event. Component events serve as part of a compound event. A component event does not alarm by itself, but satisfies part of the condition for the compound event. Once added, click on the Enter-Exit event. This event type alarms on vehicles which enter or exit the scene through the blue zone. Move the zone to cover the entrance to the parking garage. Since we want to only alert for vehicles entering, change the alert type to Enter Only. The second step is adding the second component, the access control. In this case, we are getting the access control signal input into intuVision VA via an I/O module. We will go to Triggers, Input Triggers. Select New Trigger and name it. It gives you the URL to enter on the I/O module. Once done, we need to combine the entering vehicle detection event with the access control input. intuVision VA has a compound event template for tailgate events. Go to Tailgate Events and select New Tailgate Event. Name your event and then add your vehicle enter event from your camera and input trigger in the provided places. We can also specify a duration for the grace period allowed between the access control signal and the vehicles entering. Click Apply when done, and our vehicle tailgating detection is configured. When vehicles tailgate or enter without a valid access control token, an alarm will be generated. The alarm is published in the intuVision Review application. It can be sent to your VMS, issue an audio alert or gate closure, or emailed. Thank you for watching, and follow our blog for upcoming videos. Free trials are available on our website.